Hi teacher, my full name is Jesus Manuel Garcia Magaña and next I'm going to speak about homework number 4. Question 1. What did the boy ask Mr. Is? The boy asked Mr. Is what was going on. Question 2. What did Mr. Is tell the kid? He told the kids he had heard in music class. Question 3. What did he tell the kids? He told them that they could really play. Question 4. What did he ask the kids? He asked them one why anyone hadn't told him. Question 5. What did he ask the kid? He asked him what his name was. Number 6. Question number 6. Why did Mr. Ace ask Zack? Mr. Ash asked Sam whether he played the guitar. Question 7. What did Mr. Ace ask Zack to do? Mr. Ash asked him to come there. Question number 8. What did he ask Zack to do? He asked him to try that one. Finish homework, teacher. Thank you. Goodbye.